So over here, you can see that I got a bunch of words right here. Let me just type in another word over here as well. So if you want to change this into a list, then what you can simply do is select out the text box. And over here, you can see on the right side, you can select out the type of list that you want to work with. So if I were to click on the unordered list, you can see this is what you have. You can go around and type in 5 and this is what you have. Go around and type in 6, this is what you have, as you can see. If I were to erase it out, you can see that the dots in front gets arranged out accordingly. Similarly, you can click on numbered list right here and that turns it into a numbered list, as you can see right here. So you can have dot list right here or turn it into a numbered list. So if I were to go around right here, select everything and click on the numbered list, you can see that this is a numbered list now, just like this. So you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, and if I were to add in another word in between, you can see that it just generates out the number for you. So you can select this out and turn some of it into a list right here, just like this as well. So turn it into numbered list right here. Maybe you want to turn this into something else. You can go around right here. You can select it, turn it into an unordered list again. So that is one of the things that you can do. Let me just go around and bring in another text right here. So if you want to use text transformations, you can do that over here as well. For example, if I were to do a square plus b square. So if I want to do that, a square plus b square, you can select this out and turn this into a superscript by clicking on this very button right here, which is for text transformation. Similarly, you can go around over here and if you want to subscript something, you can do that as well. So I'm going to go around, type in H2O and click on subscript right here and you can see that it becomes a subscript just like this. And that is how you can work around with lists and then work around with text transformations inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.